Hi and welcome to Feature of the Day here at BobCAD-CAM. Did you know that all Mill Pro toolpaths have access to the advanced interface? This interface enhances the amount of control users have over the toolpath. For example, we're going to move into the linking option. Unlike the normal interface, here you can control how do you want to link on the different scenarios inside the toolpath. When we're approaching the toolpath, when we're moving from one area to another, and even when we have different gaps, small gaps or large gaps. Now, this is key because we're going to keep our tool down, eliminating unnecessary retractions that are normally present on the normal interface. Now, we're able to do this because we have already roughed and finished this part, so it won't affect the safety or the quality of our finished part. Now we're going to compute our toolpath. And as you can see, we have been able to keep the tool down and eliminating the retractions just by having more control over the toolpath. Thank you and have an amazing day.